want me to sit in the back or what?
It's like 8 miles per hour. A whole lot of shit. Oh, there goes the spare. So Rich's pro tip here, if you don't have a grinding shield, or somehow you can't afford one, but you can afford a $300 welding helmet, or any welding helmet, actually that's auto darkening. All you have to do, if you have a grind mode on here and you still can't see anything, all you gotta do is pop out your auto darkening screen and you got a pretty good face shield. You can see what you're doing now.
The moves for those who
I don't know how well any of that will work, but you know. Pretty shiny. It's all gonna rust by tomorrow, so you know.
We're all right.
That's, yeah, it'll be fine.
Well guys, as you could probably tell from the title, we decided to go a little bit different direction with the, I guess not with the build, but the original plan was just to just wire wheel the rust off and just like get the bay clean. And then it kind of just turned into, well, we might as well stitch weld the bay while we're in here. So we got this all zoomed off. And it's pretty nice and shiny, and I'm not going to go hardcore with it. I mean, I'm not quite done. There's still a rust in the corners and stuff that needs to be taken out. But yeah, stitch weld along the seams in here, and shock towers, upper shock mounts, get everything cleaned up. They're pretty wavy, pretty beat up. So we'll get those straightened out, get them all body hammered flat, and get everything all cleaned up. And yeah, but not today though, because today is Christmas, and we're taking a couple of days off, spend some time with family, and yeah, all that good stuff. So wherever you guys are, hopefully you're spending time with people you love, and we enjoy the holidays. And yeah, we'll be back in a couple days, and we'll make some progress on this thing. So anyway, John out, and bye for now.